Hello, I'm Guido Groot with Luxexcel, and I'm here to give you an introduction to the Luxexcel technology. Luxexcel has been around since 2009. We invented 3D printing of lenses, and we started printing all kinds of different lenses. In 2015, we transitioned to making eyewear lenses because it's a perfect fit for our technology, because it allows us to make all kinds of different lenses in a good quality for a large market. But we can of course make all kind of different lenses. We have currently printers printing commercially in different locations. Our technology is uniquely fit to integrate all kind of different devices inside our lenses, and I'm going to be showing you in a minute some examples of that. We have partnerships with large OEM consumer electronics companies who are using our technology to create prescription smart eyewear lenses. And I'm going to be showing you also a couple pictures of stuff that we have done and things that we have integrated inside our lenses. We expect that in 2022-23, a number of smart eyewear companies will go to market with our technology as soon as they finalize development of other aspects of their product. So we've started making prototype lenses for all kinds of different applications. We stopped doing that, and we're now focused fully on, first we focused on traditional eyewear, and now we're fully focused on smart eyewear lenses. And we're really looking to bring this technology to mass volume manufacturing. So what's the big benefit of our technology? Well, it is of course that you can integrate prescription lenses with smart technology to make smart eyewear lenses that look like normal lenses. So we enable our customers to move from making smart helmets, if you like, to smart glasses. And the second benefit our technology brings is allows you to make lenses in one process step instead of using all these different machines to get to good lenses and to have all these inventories that are typically required in lens manufacturing. We just print the lens when and where you need it. So prescription lenses are of course important because 75% of the world population needs prescription. So if you're going to make smart eyewear lenses, you need to address prescription, and that is what our technology enables you to do. We enable prescription lenses, and we enable smart lenses, and we enable the combination of the two so that you get the smart device with prescription lenses. And smart and prescription is an absolute requirement to make smart eyewear lenses, since 75% of the world population requires prescription. How does the technology work? We start off with a bottle of material. We put that in our printer. We generate tiny little droplets. We UV cure them in place, and the lens is ready to be used once it comes out of the printer. It's transparent, and no polishing is required, and it has ophthalmic quality. When we integrate waveguides and other smart devices into lenses, what we do is we add a curvature to the front, we add a curvature to the back, and we fully encapsulate the smart device. The end result is that you can have a flat device or a curved one if you want to. We add the prescription to it, to the front and the back. We can even add an air gap if your device requires that. The end result is a device that is fully integrated, that is thinner and lighter than if you would glue together lenses. It also provides protection to the waveguide or to the smart device that's inserted. And it also provides protection to the user so that even if the device breaks, it doesn't damage the eyes of the user. So it's a fully integrated device with full protection for user and waveguide, and it's as thin as it can possibly be. Here's an example of a project we've done together with Wave Optics, where we've integrated the waveguide inside the prescription lens. We've added the mounting for the projector so that the hole between light engine, waveguide and prescription lens becomes one. So it becomes one complete unit with the waveguide inside, and it's ready to be inserted in a smart frame, as you can see in the little video that I'm going to show you next.
Wave Optics and Luxexcel combine their expertise to enable AR glasses to look and feel like regular glasses and be anything but regular. Wave Optics has developed the world's thinnest full-color waveguide. Luxexcel has developed 3D printed prescription lenses. Combined, you get a fully encapsulated waveguide with a 3D printed prescription lens. Our lightweight 3D printed lens with integrated waveguide offers a wide field of view and the best image quality, while being durable and protected from humidity, dust, and impact. Wave Optics' innovative projector technology is compressed into its smallest possible form, allowing us to create an unbelievably lightweight, comfortable, yet powerful unit, ready to disappear into elegant frame designs and light up the AR world. With our focus on making customization easy, we give companies the essential building blocks to bring AR to the real world, ready to enter the lives of all consumers. Prescription lenses have given billions of people the ability to experience the world as it is. We make the next step possible, illuminating a whole new perspective on the world, right before your eyes. Wave Optics and Luxexcel, ready to embrace prescription needs, ready to create lightweight performance products, ready to integrate the world's smallest AR optics technology, ready to enable the mass adoption of AR consumer glasses. We are ready. Are you?
So this is an example of a partnership we have with Wave Optics, and of course we can integrate other devices inside our lenses. And we work also with OEM companies, however they do not typically allow us to show pictures of their devices. So the way we work with our customers is we help our customers develop the product they require based on their vision. So we make sure that we can integrate their smart device inside prescription lenses in the shape and form they need. Once that is done, we provide all the manufacturing technology to make the product in volume. So we provide software, printer, materials, and the process and the license to our technology to make the product in volume. So we don't do prototyping, we only do prototyping to get to a product that they can make, that our customers can make in volume. So we have also a technical paper that will provide you more information. If you send an email to hello@luxexcel.com, you can actually get a link to the white paper where you can find answers to most of your technical questions and provide you more detail on how integration works and what the different benefits are. So thank you for your attention, and we look forward to hearing from you.